Good afternoon to all of you, everyone. Respected chair, co-chair, and the representatives. And I am very much thankful to the organizer giving me the opportunity to present my work before this, present my work in this conference. Now I am going to tell about the diversity, distribution, and indigenous uses of Hypericum species, especially in the northeast India. The genus Hypericum is worldwide known for its traditional and some modern uses. For that reason, we made an attempt to access the diversity, distribution, and what are the indigenous uses of different species of Hypericum in the northeast India. Specifically, most of the genus, whatever present in India of the genus Hypericum is mostly found in the northeast India. And very few species is found endemic to different regions of India, like Hypericum moisturinensis is only endemic to the Western Ghat, and Hypericum gaiti is only endemic to Odisha. But other species of Hypericum is mostly found in the northeast India. So we have made an attempt regarding that end, because Hypericum has anti-cancer property and anti-inflammatory activity as per the reports reported from USA and other countries. So during our survey, we covered all the 8 states of northeast India, where we got a total number of 18 species of Hypericum, and of which 14 are economically important. Okay, all the 18 species are native to northeast India, and 4 are endemic, and 2 species are nearly endemic. Among the species, Hypericum lobei was the most valued species, which is mostly used in the medicine, fodder, fuel, dyeing, and extraction of hypericin. And what is hypericin? Hypericin is one compound which is previously reported from the foreign countries, okay, and that is mainly found in the Hypericum perforatum in the foreign countries. And this hypericin is mainly used for anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory activity in the foreign countries. Then, due to over-exploitation of this species in the pharmaceutical industries and the natural population of this species depleting very fast, and the species has been placed under vulnerable category according to IUCN. Similarly, due to multiple utility of Hypericum bucherianum, Hypericum tenucale, and Hypericum williamsi are also facing the major threat. It is expected that, like Hypericum lobei, other species of Hypericum also may have the higher concentration of hypericin. Then in our survey, firstly that is Hypericum bucherianum. This is the photographs of Hypericum bucherianum. Then Hypericum gracilis, Hypericum japonicum, Hypericum monanthemum, then Hypericum lobei. It is only found in the Meghalaya. And in Meghalaya there are so many forest areas, but one forest area, reserve forest, is Maflang Reserve Forest, and this species is only endemic to that region. Hypericum williamsi. During our survey, we got the Hypericum assamicum, Hypericum bengalensis, Hypericum eliodaris, Hypericum heliquale, Hypericum gracilis, and these are mainly found in the Assam, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Manipur, and Nagaland also. Again, this is Hypericum gramineum, Hypericum griffithii, Hypericum himalicium, Hypericum bucherianum, and Hypericum japonicum. And in this species, Hypericum bucherianum is a major threat due to multiple uses of this species. Then Hypericum lobei, which previously I told you this is under the vulnerable category of IUCN, Hypericum monanthemum, Hypericum petiolatum, and Hypericum reptans. Then these are the other species: Hypericum williamsi, Hypericum oitianum, Hypericum uralum. Okay, this is the Hypericum williamsi's photoplates. Here you will see the flowering branches and other flower photographs, calyx, corolla, bundle of stems, and the TS of ovary and pistils and everything. This Hypericum williamsi during our survey in the complete northeast area, this is the first report to the flora of Meghalaya, Nagaland and Assam. Previously it is not reported from all these three states. Okay. This is the during our survey we have first reported this, and it is under communication with phytotaxa. And it is so interesting that Hypericum lobai, which is contained from the India, we are going to report it as a content of hypericin, high hypericin content. It is recollected after 133 years of the type collection from the Maflang Reserve Forest. Okay, and it is only endemic to that area. In anywhere India, anywhere in the northeast, no one has reported this plant till now. After that, we collection of the plant specimens, we go for the essential oil analysis. On the hydrodistillation, the fresh leaves and the tender parts of the Hypericum lobai and other species of Hypericum yielded 0.43% of pale yellowish essential oil. Then hydrodistillation was done by using the Clemens type apparatus. The extracted essential oil was dehydrated over Na2SO4 and stored for under the room under the freeze in an airtight dark brown glass while until further analysis. Then we proceed for the GCMS analysis of this essential oil what we will get, and for that we get separation performed by the Tg5 capillary column. And in the GCMS analysis we get that the revealed that in presence of 40 compounds which represent 97% of the total oil, and monoterpene hydrocarbons is 79% predominated, followed by the sequisterpene hydrocarbons to 13%. Of this, alpha pine is 70%, beta carophylline is 11%, saponin 6%, myrcene 3%, and other constituents. Identification of different constituents was based on by comparing the mass spectra of each detected compound with inbuilt NIST mass spectral library. Then we go for the antioxidant activities with three different systems we have done. This one is DPPH analysis and ABTS analysis and reducing power analysis. Essential oil exhibited moderate antioxidant activities as compared to BHT and ascorbic acid. These are the antioxidant activities of different Hypericum gracilicus, Hypericum japonicum and Hypericum bucherianum. Then conclusion is that the present research investigation of this chemical composition and antioxidant activities of essential Hypericum lobai is an endemic species to the northeast India. Our results indicate that the oil is the rich source of sequiterpenoid, monoterpenoid and alpha pine, beta caroline and predominant constituents, and this oil showed moderate antioxidant capacity that may be due to the fact it is composed of entirely of terpene and hydrocarbons, which is not an active antioxidant. This study also reveals that other species of the genus may be used for multi-purpose, and therefore this species may also require prior attention to for the conservation. Population assessment of the rare and threatened species must be required. Mass multiplications through conventional in vitro method of rare, threatened and multi-purpose species is also suggested. These are the works, and I am very much thankful to the Director Botanical Survey of India, Head of Office Ceylon, and the South Indian Textile Research Association for doing the GCMS analysis, Dr. R. Kotaimuthu, Y. Mahesh, Riyaz Ansari for the same technician, and my supporting staffs for doing this work during the and all the Northeast Forest Divisional officers for their cooperation during the survey. These are the Juko Valley, beauty of Juko Valley during our Nagaland tour. This is one of the photographs of Juko Valley. Thank you.